Hello, friends. Hockey, India's sport, where India dominated for many, many years to come. And India has got whopping 11 medals, 8 golds, 1 silver, and 2 bronze. But it comes as a shock. The last medal, which was won by India, was in 1980. That too, when the Olympic boycott was there. And after that, last time we were nearly knocking on the doors of semi-finals, not on the medal, was Sydney 2000, when Poland last minute drew by scoring a goal and India was deprived. After that, we have been playing well, but not well enough. The European hockey, the AstroTurf, has destroyed. But today, I like to talk about in last 7-8 years, the Hockey League and special patronage given by Odisha, the Kalinga, the number of AstroTurf, that kind of competition, the Indian team is a force to reckon with. Right now in FIH ranking, India is ranked 5th. But the fact is, it is not 5th. Actually, if you see, it has been changing here and there. If you will see the Champions Trophy performances, India has been doing very well. Now, this Olympics is tough. And if you see the schedule, the first match, obviously, India is having on 24th of July, and it's against New Zealand. New Zealand is no longer the same team when in 76 it did wonders and won the gold medal. It's not doing very well, but no team can be pushed over. On 25th, it is against Australia, the FIH, the second ranked team. The first ranked team is Belgium. On 27, it is versus Spain. Spain is always a powerhouse. Yes, they are lower in ranking, but they can always bring a surprise. Then, 29th of July, it is Argentina. Argentina is the last time's, gold medalist. And even in the league, but India was the only team which defeated them. But their golden players have gone. That's why it's no longer the top ranked player. On 30th July, it is Japan. Now, Japan is no pushover. They're the Asian team gold medalist. And where India lost to Malaysia. So the fact is, India has been in a good pool, because I only see Australia as which is ranked higher. But now the thing comes. The first of all, about the team. About the team which I like to talk about. Earlier there was 16 members team. And 16 members team, but because of COVID, 2 more players have been added. And, so we have got tremendous, defenders. Harmanpreet and Ravinder Pal Singh, they form tremendous skills and as well as penalty corner specialist. Then when Surinder, Amit, Birendra Lakra last time missed it, but he's a very, very good defender. Okay, so I definitely feel Harmanpreet, Ravinder Pal and Birendra Lakra, these 3 will take the back. Then, midfielder, our captain Manpreet has been the wonders, and he is the reason why India does not get last-minute goals. So with Hardik, Manpreet, Vivek Sagar, Neelkanta, Sumit, many people you will be hearing for the first time. This is a very good midfielder, all young, fresh, because midfielders have to run up and down and maximum. Except Manpreet, everybody is tremendous, gifted, sharp, quick players. Then forwards, again, totally different line. Samsher, Dilpreet, and only 2 you may have heard of, Lalit and Mandeep. Now 2 have been added is Varun Kumar and Simranjeet Singh. The only 1 keeper we are taking. But yes, there's a provision, if he gets injured, somebody else can also come. Okay. Now the fundamental is this. India strengths and Indian weaknesses. First, Indian strength is their speed. You'll be shocked. The maximum distance covered by players in the hockey arena is by Indian team. Their movement with the ball is the fastest in the world. Second, percentage of field goals done by Indian forward is the maximum. The midfielder, they really give crosses, and earlier Akshadeep Singh was and Manpreet, they were the person who used to collect it, and one action they used to hit. The same way Lalit is there who can do that. So therefore, tremendous amount of field goals. Third, penalty corner specialist Harmanpreet and Ravinder Pal, they are very, very good penalty shootout takers. Then Srijesh has a knack of saving penalty corners. Though these are the strengths. Now comes to weakness. When weakness comes, first of all, India does not have cue artists like earlier days, and they are not able to induce penalty corner at will by going into the D. They don't dribble, they believe in passes, so that portion is lacking. Second, Srijesh is little old, so he is, if the ball is moving, if it's a straight shot and penalty corner, he is very, very good. But when the opposition tries combination, they hit into the side, his movement becomes slow, and then he's caught off guard. Third, against Srijesh, it will not come in the league phase, but the fact is, he's very good. He's very pathetic against the penalty stroke and the penalty shootout which takes place once the matches drop. Then, last but not the weakness, you'll be shocked. There are 10 new players in the Indian team. They are inexperienced and the pressure may get to them. So these are the weaknesses. But Indian hockey style is tremendously doing very well. Now, one aspect which I like to highlight about Indian hockey is they have beaten in last 2 years every team more than once, which was never the case for last 40 years which I have been following. They used to always lose to Australia. Now, even in FH League, India had played 6 matches, won 2, drawn 2, lost 2. So therefore, they could hold on to their own with everybody. And if the just little luck is there, Indian is going to get medal this time. Luckily, out of top 4 teams, okay, only Australia is there in there. Rest, Belgium, Netherlands, okay, they are on the, and Germany, they are on the other team. So therefore, India is having little better chances also, I would like to put across. And here I also like to just say, please get up early to watch these matches. We are giving you time, get up early. And I do not know much about women. They have been able to make it, but their goal scoring capabilities against a good defense is still little lackluster. So they, I do not know what they will do, but the fact is they're there, and let's say best of luck to them. So 24th morning, please get up at the morning hours and watch India play. Okay, the first match against New Zealand, but the most crucial is 25th July, which is Sunday, 3 p.m. Block it for Australia, because if India wins that match or draws that match, India is going to be in the semi-final. Thank you.